Okay, so this is the immune system by Venus Fernandez. Dun, dun. So granulocytes, there's three types. There's nephrons, eosinophils, and basophils.
Yeah.
So neutrophils are the first white blood cell on scene of an infection. Eosinophils are very important in during a parasitic infection. If you have a lot of them, you know you have a parasite. Basophils promote inflammation and release heparin. So monocytes are the biggest white blood cell, twice as big as the red blood cell, and macrophages are derived from monocytes, and they basically just eat pathogens, they engulf them, eat them. The lymphocytes, there's T helper cells, which stimulate both T and T cells, while they tell T suppressor cells to shut them down off too. So killer T cells attack the invader when they're told to by the helper T cells, and the B cells produce antibiotics to fight bacteria and viruses. So system disorders. Autoimmune system is when the system attacks its own cells because the cells themselves cannot recognize themselves, so the protein flags, they just don't see them. The antihistamines reduce the system of an allergic reaction, so they get rid of your runny nose and your itchy eyes. So HIV is spread usually by intravenous drug needles and sexual contact, but basically what it does, it kills the helper T cells and you can't fight against any infections that would come into your body. So infectious diseases, vectors, they carry pathogens from person to person. The most common is a mosquito. They're super bad. They carry a bunch of diseases. Antibiotics kill bacteria, but they don't work on viruses because viruses don't have a protein kill, which bacteria do that. Antibiotics break down. And who created antibiotics? Alexander Fleming. He made it by leaving some bread mold in a bacteria dish, and the bacteria around the bread mold was dead. Dun, dun, dun. So basics, the viruses are met with interferon in the body, which is a chemical that the body inhibits viral proteins called coat production. Pathogens are anything that goes into the body and harms it, but basically if it enters through your mouth or nose, it gets trapped in the mucus, and then the digested enzymes called lysosome are dissolved. Okay, it goes into your stomach and gets killed, dissolved. So how does it work? So basically antigens are protein flags, and they stick onto a pathogen, and then your body sees the protein flags, connects a T cell to it, and then a macrophage eats it, and then it goes away. That's the end. I hope you learned something. Yay! Bye-bye.